Hi students, welcome to our channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. In this video, we are going to learn about the exercise 7.3 fractions 6th class CBSE Maths. Now let us see the first problem of exercise 7.3. Write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? Now in first circle, in this circle two halves and one half is shaded. In the second circle is divided into four parts and in this two parts are shaded. In next circle divided into six equal parts and shaded three parts, and last circle is divided into 8 equal parts and shaded 4 parts. Now let us represent each figure by using the fraction. So it is in the first circle, out of two parts, one part is shaded. This can be represents 1 by 2. In second circle, out of 4 equal parts, 2 parts are shaded. This can be represents 2 by 4. And third circle, 6 equal parts, out of 6 3 parts are shaded. This can be represents 3 by 6. In this 8 equal parts, 4 parts are shaded. This can be represents 4 by 8. Let us check whether all these fractions are equivalent or not. So how can you say the two fractions are equivalent? So we both numerator and denominator are multiplied by the same number, then we get its equivalent fraction. Now let us check 1 by 2. Here both numerator and denominator we multiply by 2. Then we get 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4. So 1 by 2, 2 by 4 are equivalent fractions. Now next, again 1 by 2. Here both numerator and denominator we multiply by 3. Then we get 1 3 is 3, 2 3 is 6. So here 1 by 2, 3 by 6 are also equivalent fraction. Now check next one, that is 4 by 8. Now 1 by 2, both numerator and denominator multiplied by 4, then we get 4 by 8. 4 by 8. So 1 by 2 and 4 by 8 also equivalent fractions. So all the given fractions are equivalent fractions. So how we can write? We can write all these fractions are equivalent fractions. All these fractions equivalent. Okay, next B1. In this box 12 circles, 4 circles are shaded, that is represents 4 by 12. Next 9 circles, 3 circles are shaded, so 3 out of 9. Next 2 out of 6. Next 1 circle shaded out of 3, 1 by 3. And then 6 circles are shaded out of 15. Here observe once, 6 by 15, 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9, 4 by 12. Here remaining all fractions equivalent, then 6 by 15 is not a equivalent fraction in this. Okay, so here these fractions are not equivalent. Now second problem. Write the fractions and pair up the equivalent fractions from each row. In this first, one shaded part out of 2, that represents 1 by 2. In this 4 parts are shaded out of 6, 4 by 6. Here 3 parts are shaded out of 9, 3 by 9. In this 2 parts are shaded out of 8 equal parts. And also here 3 parts are shaded out of 4 equal parts. In this 16 equal parts and 6 parts are shaded. This can be represented as 6 by 18. 18 means 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, next 4 parts are shaded out of, that is 4 by 8. In this 12 parts are shaded out of 16. 12 out of 16. In this 8 parts are shaded 12 out of 12. In this 4 parts are shaded out of 16 parts. Now what to do? Write the fractions. Okay, and pair up the equivalent fractions from each row. Next we can do pairs of this one. First, this 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is represents, and here also they. See here 4 by 8 it is equal to 1 by 2. And here also 6 by 18 it is equal to 1 by 3. Here 12 by 16 means 4 2 ja, 4 4 ja. Means here also 3 by 4. In this 8 by 12 means 2 by 3. Here 1 by 4. Okay. Next, in this A is 1 by 2. In this 2 is 1 by 2. That is pair is A 2. And next 2 by 3. 2 by 3. B 4. Pair. Next pair is 3 by 9. That is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. 1 by 3. C 1. Next, here see 2 by 8 it is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4. D 5. Here he 3 by 4. 3 by 4. E 3. These are the pairs of this problem. Third problem. Replace empty box in each of the following by the correct number. A1 is 2 by 7 it is equal to 8 by empty box. B1 3 by 5 it is equal to box by 20. C is 40 by 5 60 it is equal to 15 by empty denominator. Okay. Now by the first question 2 by 7 it is equal to 8 by box. So this is 2, in this 2 fractions are equivalent. So then we get the equivalent fraction of multiplying both numerator and denominator by the same number. In this 2, how many times we get 8? That is 4 times. 2 4 ja 8. So both numerator and denominator multiply the number 4. 2 by 7 it is equal to 2 by 7 into 4 by 4. It is equal to 2 4 ja 8, 7 4 ja 28. Then we get 8 by 28. So then the equivalent fraction of 2 by 7 is 8 by 28. Then the box is 2 by 7 it is equal to 8 by 28. So B1. 3 by 5 it is equal to box by 20. So these two fractions are also equivalent. So then how we get the equivalent fractions? Multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. Multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. In this 3, how many times we get this number? And 5, how many times we get 20? That is 4. 5 4 ja 20. So So here multiply both denominator and numerator by the same number, that is 4. Here 3 by 5, it is equal to 3 by 5. By the same number we multiply both denominator and numerator, is that is 4. 4 by 4. 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. So then the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 is 12 by 20. 3 by 5 is 12 by 20. 3 5 5, it is equal to 12 by 20. 3 by 5 and 12 by 20 are the equivalent. Here required number is 12. Now let us see C problem, that is 45 by 60, it is equal to 15 by empty box. These fractions are equivalent. So how to get the equivalent fraction of a given fraction? Either we can multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number, or we can divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. Now then we have here 45 and 60. Now what is the number must be divided? Now then that is 45 by 3 is equal to 15. 45 by 3, it is equal to 15. So when 45 is divided by 3, we get 15. So when 45 is divided by 3, then 60 also divided by, must be divided by 3. Then 60 is divided by 3. 45 by 3, it is equal to 15. 60 is divided by 3, it is equal to 20. Here see, when the numerator is 15, the denominator is 20. So here 45 and 60, 15 by 20 are equivalent fractions. So here numerator is 15 and the denominator box is filled with 20. Okay? Okay friends, if you like this video, like, share and give the comments. If you want more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you.